Hello, everyone. Police versus wild animals. Char, Kyar, Bodycam captures. Everything brings unexpected situations where police officers confront wild animals through bodycam footage, tense and full of drama. Bodycam footage shows the pursuit of a runaway kangaroo that continues to cause chaos after repeatedly breaking into residential neighborhoods. Bodycam captures a Louisville officer carefully approaching and escorting a stray deer out of the YMCA premises after it unexpectedly entered the building. Westerville Police dashcam records a violent clash between two deer right in the middle of a city street. Two officers rescue a moose trapped on thin ice, but are surprised as it repeatedly slips back into the danger zone. A stray cow on a Los Angeles highway brings traffic to a complete standstill, creating an unbelievable scene amid heavy congestion. A Lake Tahoe officer encounters a large bear wandering outside shops late at night and, with just a few calm warnings, manages to make it leave peacefully. A Texas officer attempts to capture an escaped cow in a park, but is forced to retreat when it suddenly charges toward him. Police quickly bring a cow under control after it falls off a trailer and runs loose on the roadway. Grab him. Body cam footage shows the pursuit of a stray cow running through residential neighborhoods in Glendale.
It's okay.
Body cam captures a humorous moment as a playful goat suddenly jumps onto the hood of a patrol car, leaving everyone laughing.
That's my hood.
Get out. Give it.
Another one over here.
Body cam footage shows Glendale officers struggling to catch a runaway goat as it runs freely through the area. Another stray goat triggers a backyard chase before finally being cornered and subdued by police.
Come here, little boy. Oh, you just sad. Oh, it's fine. See?
A brave officer moves in to subdue a massive alligator spotted in the middle of a Florida street. A non-cooperative pig causes chaotic pursuit scenes through residential neighborhoods in Tacoma.
Just gonna, so he's not fighting loose the whole time.
We just passed Kingland. There's Spring Street, 3-foot turn back. Gotta go this like this.
Australian police chase a runaway kangaroo causing chaos in an airport parking lot. Columbus officers track down and restrain a stray pig running freely in the western part of the city. Police in Old Town rescue a skunk that got its head stuck inside a stack of Dunkin' cups. An Ocean Gate officer helps rescue a helpless skunk with its head trapped inside a juice box.
There you go.
Bodycam footage captures a Florida deputy struggling to capture a runaway emu, causing chaos. Bodycam records emotional moments after a dog is rescued from freezing waters on Christmas Day.
Are you good?
What do you think about these police versus wild animals situations? Do you think the officers handled them appropriately? Leave your comments and let's discuss.
Come here, bud. Come here. There you go.